Hello everyone and welcome to our video about the eyeglasses bonus in Italy, also known as Vista bonus. If you are an international student studying in Italy, you might be interested in this topic, especially if you wear corrective eyeglasses or contact lenses. So, have you bought or do you intend to buy eyeglasses or contact lenses? If so, you should know that the Vista bonus is a contribution worth €50, which can be requested only once for each member of a family unit with an ISEE or online DSU not exceeding €10,000 per year. It can be used for the purchase or refund of corrective eyeglasses or contact lenses from 1st of January 2021 until 31st of December 2023. If you are an optician or eyewear shop owner who wants to accredit their commercial activity, you can already register on this website. The registration is free and it allows you to accept payment made with the Vista bonus. Beneficiaries or the international students that are watching this video can request the Vista bonus from 5th of May at 12 p.m. both as a voucher to spend at accredited shops and as a refund for purchase already made. To get the bonus Vista, you need to have a single substitute declaration or DSU that you can also request it online. That probably I'm gonna also prepare you guys a video about this topic. And you also need an ISEE not exceeding €10,000 per year. The ISEE is the declaration of the economic situation of a family unit, which is used to determine whether they are eligible for certain social benefits or not. You also need to have a level 2 speed or higher or a level 3 CIE that we discussed it in our previous video. You can see the link above in top right corner of your screen. If you click on that video, you can learn how to activate your level 3 CIE. Okay, it's essential to note that the issue of the bonus Italy is free, so you don't have to pay anything to request the voucher or the benefits. However, you need to make sure that you meet all the requirements and provide all the necessary documentations that to receive it, like the things that are highlighted here. It's essential to note that the issue the issue of the bonus Vista is free. However, you need to make sure that you meet all the requirements and provide all the necessary documentation to receive it that are highlighted here. Okay, now we're gonna walk through all the steps that you need to take to receive the voucher or get the refund for the eyeglasses that you bought already from the previous months. Okay, you have to click on this link, beneficiary area. Okay, here it will ask you through which method do you want to enter the website. Okay, we should enter through the CIE because all of us already have a level 3 CIE. If you saw the previous 2 videos of this channel, you're gonna learn how to activate your CIE from level 0 to level 3. Okay, we're gonna click here. Okay, we're gonna click here. Okay, we switched to the phone because the CIE only work in the smartphones, not in the tablets or desktops. So I apologize for that if you had a difficulty to see the screen. Okay, that's it for today's video. Me and my team, Elitaly, hope you found this information helpful, and don't hesitate to leave us a comment. If you have any question or wants to share your experience with level 3 CIE or Vista bonus, please leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video also. Through this way you're gonna support us to continue our journey with you guys and share all the experience that we might need in our way to ace our path in Italy. Okay, that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful, and don't hesitate to leave us a comment. If you have any question or wants to share your experience about the Vista bonus, please leave us a comment. Thanks for watching this video. From the elitaly team, I wish you guys a great day and wishing you guys all the best in the world.